Let's talk about the append query options now. So previously we had left off here. So all we need to do is just delete the previous steps that we have done. Now to show you the append queries, we need two more data that we have. So I will go to this new source. I will go to text or CSV. I will connect this data, which is 2015, and pop-up should come up. Yep, and I will just click on OK as of now. And I have to do the same thing, and I have to take the 2016 as well. I will click on OK, and this will give me all the three data. Now if you want to change the position of this 2017, all you can do, you can just drag it and drop it here. So the order will be changed. Now we want to do the append query. So let me first tell you what append query does. So if you have three data that is with the same column name and same data type, the exact same thing but only with the different rows. So what I said is basically the same column name, the same data type, but only with the different rows. Then only we can append it. Now to do the append, all we need to do is go to the append query option and go to append queries. Now if we click on append queries, so you can see there will be an option like you can choose two tables or you can choose three or more tables. So I will just, in this case I have three tables, so I will choose this radio button and which are the data that I want to append. As you can see currently, because I have selected this one, so this is already selected. So all I need to do, I need to just click on this 2016 and just click on this add button. You can see this will be added here, and I want this 2015 as well, so I will click on this 2015 and I will add it. So we have now 2017, 2016 and 2015. So I can just click on OK. So if you click on OK, and now if you see this three data has been appended in this data only. Now let me show you what happens if we just do it as append as new. So if we do that, and if we do the exact same thing, just choose this radio button, you can see the 2017 is already selected. We will choose the 2016 and add, we will choose the 2015 and add, and then we will click on just OK. And you can see a whole new table has been created with the same thing that we have done in this table, right? So now we have only one data instead of this three data, right? So that's it for this video. This is the way you can append the data, and the append is basically if you have the same column names, same data type, then only the append works. Let me quickly show you how these three data are same. So you can see the order date in the AW sales, you have the order date here, you have the stock date here, you have order line number. So every column you see they are same. And if I go to this 2016, you can see they are already same and almost same. The column names, the capitalization, etc., everything is same, and same for the 2017 as well. So you can see everything is same. And if I go to now this append one, you will see all these three data are appended in the one table, right? So that's it for this video. See you in the next lecture.